Continuing with the Brownell's Mosin Nagant maintenance series, with the rifle completely field stripped, next up is cleaning. We'll get started with the barrel, which is fairly straightforward like any other rifle. All you need is a good solvent and the appropriate bore brushes, patches, and jag. By the way, if you have a full-length rifle like we do here, you'll also need a fairly long cleaning rod. Everyone has their own favorite routine when it comes to cleaning the barrel. The most basic method is to apply solvent with a patch or swab, let it sit in the bore the amount of time recommended by the manufacturer, followed by a brush to loosen up the fouling. After 10 to 15 complete strokes with the brush, we'll switch back to our jag and run a few patches down to remove the solvent and any remaining fouling. Repeat the process until all the fouling is removed and the patches appear clean. If you fire corrosive ammunition, you'll need to use a bore cleaner formulated to remove the corrosive salts left behind before rust has a chance to form. Ed's Red, Ballistol, or even plain old water will dissolve the corrosive salts left behind by military ammunition. Just be sure to dry the bore thoroughly and run a patch with a little hoppies or light oil on it to protect the newly cleaned rifling when you're done. Once the barrel's clean, we can open the floor plate and use a brush to clean out any residue that may have accumulated in the action area before moving on to the bolt. Moving on, the bolt is easily cleaned by scrubbing with a brush dipped in some solvent. The holes in the bolt body and other pieces can be cleaned with a bore brush, swabs, and pipe cleaners to get rid of all the crud that likes to hide in there. Again, if you shoot corrosive ammo, you'll want to use something to aid in dissolving the residue. Pay close attention to the bolt face, as this is where the majority of corrosion will occur. Once clean, give all the components a wipe down with a clean cloth and they'll be ready for lubrication, which we'll cover in part 3.